Chia seed water at night. Drinking chia seed water at night could either help you wake up feeling light and refreshed, or it could mess with your gut, your sleep, or even your weight loss goals. Sounds dramatic? It's not. Because if you're drinking it the wrong way, or at the wrong time, that healthy habit might be quietly backfiring. Let me show you exactly what happens when you drink chia seed water before bed. You've probably heard the hype. Drink chia seed water at night. It detoxes your body, clears your skin, melts fat while you sleep. But here's the truth. It's not that simple. Yes, chia seeds can be amazing for your body, but only if you understand how they actually work. Because drinking them the wrong way, it might leave you bloated, gassy, dehydrated, or wide awake at 2 a.m. Let's break it down, honestly and simply. It's not a magic fix. Let's start with one big myth. Just because something is natural doesn't mean it works the same for everyone. And chia seeds? They're powerful, but they're not magic. They absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in water and turn into a gel. Great for digestion when used correctly, but irritating if you're not careful. So before you start guzzling chia seed water every night, here's what you really need to know. Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through the pros, the cons, and the right way to drink chia water at night, based on real science, not just social media. What actually happens when you drink chia water at night? 1. Supports overnight digestion, but only if you hydrate properly. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, about 11 grams per ounce. When taken at night, that fiber helps sweep through your digestive system, keeping things moving smoothly while you sleep. But here's the catch. Fiber needs water. If you're not drinking enough water during the day, that gel-forming fiber can sit heavy in your gut and slow everything down. So, if you're going to drink chia water at night, hydrate all day, not just at bedtime. Chia seeds won't fix your gut overnight, but they can help clean it gently if you give them the hydration they need. 2. May help reduce bloating and constipation. The soluble fiber in chia absorbs water and expands, adding bulk to your stool and making bowel movements smoother. That means less bloating and a lighter morning. But again, this benefit only works if your gut tolerates high fiber. Some people feel worse when they suddenly introduce chia seeds, especially if they have IBS, SIBO, or sluggish digestion. Tip: start with just 1 teaspoon in water, not a full tablespoon. Give your body time to adjust. 3. Omega-3s that heal while you sleep. One of the most underrated benefits? Chia seeds are rich in ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that fights inflammation. When you consume them at night, your body uses those omega-3s during deep sleep, the time when cell repair and regeneration is at its peak. That supports faster recovery and joint health. 4. Skin benefits. Glow from the inside out. That overnight hydration we talked about, it shows up on your skin. Drinking chia water before bed keeps your body deeply hydrated while you sleep. And over time, that shows as softer skin, fewer dry patches, a more plump and glowing look. You don't need fancy skincare when your gut's hydrated from within. 5. Helps control midnight cravings. Ever find yourself craving snacks at 11 p.m.? Chia water can actually help reduce hunger hormones and make you feel full longer. That gel-like texture fills your stomach just enough to shut down late-night cravings without feeling stuffed. It's not magic. It's simply giving your brain the signal. We're good. No snacks needed. 6. Boosts metabolism. While you sleep, your metabolism doesn't stop at night. In fact, your body burns calories while sleeping, especially during deep sleep cycles. Drinking chia seed water with protein, fiber, and healthy fats supports your metabolism overnight, helping you wake up with more energy, less water retention, and better blood sugar control. 7. Regulates blood sugar. Great for diabetics. If you deal with blood sugar spikes at night or feel shaky in the morning, this one's for you. The fiber in chia seeds slows down the absorption of sugars and carbs, helping to stabilize your blood sugar through the night. Instead of crashing at 3 a.m. or waking up groggy, you stay stable and sleep better. 8. Chia seeds and sleep. Do they help or hurt? This one depends. Chia seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body make serotonin and melatonin. Both are important for sleep. So yes, In theory, chia can help you relax and sleep deeper. But if you have slow digestion, feel bloated after eating, or drink chia water right before lying down, you might feel too full or even nauseous, and that can totally backfire. Fix: drink chia water 30 to 60 minutes before bed, not right before hitting the pillow. 9. Not for everyone. Who should avoid chia water at night? Let's be honest. Chia seeds aren't for everyone. Avoid chia water at night if you have acid reflux or GERD can worsen symptoms. IBS or gut sensitivity can cause bloating. Difficulty swallowing. Chia can thicken quickly and become hard to swallow. Trouble staying hydrated. They absorb water fast. Always start small and listen to your body. The right way to prepare chia seed. Water at night. Here's the simple recipe that works best. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. 1 full glass of room temperature water, about 10 to 12 ounces. Stir well and let sit for 30 minutes to an hour. Optional: add a squeeze of lemon or slice of cucumber for flavor. Drink it 30 to 60 minutes before bed for best results. Don't rush it. Let the seeds fully absorb the water. That's what makes it safe and effective. Is it good or not? So, is chia seed water at night good or not? Yes, if you hydrate properly. You give it time to sit and absorb. You listen to your body's response. But no, if you have gut issues and jump in too fast. You drink it too close to bedtime. You skip water all day and try to make up for it at night. It's not a yes or no answer. It's about doing it the right way. Chia seed water at night can help with digestion, hydration, cravings, skin, metabolism, and even sleep. But only if your body tolerates it well and you're consistent. It's not a miracle. It's a tool. And when used the right way, it can help you feel lighter, clearer, and more energized by morning. Try it for a week. But start small and pay attention to how your body feels. That's your best guide. If this helped you rethink a healthy habit, hit like and share this with someone who's drinking chia water without knowing what it really does. And if you want more simple, science-backed tips like this, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a natural health tip that actually works. Let's keep healing the natural way, one smart habit at a time.